Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves.
Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. And today we've got an older kit. It was partially built when I got it, but it'll give us a good opportunity to kind of see how it goes together and see what is in the kit. And that is the 1957 Chevy Bell Air by AMT. And let's see if I can figure out what the year of this one. 2011 looks like was the last copyright. So, okay. So this is an oldie but a goodie. The decals that come with the kit are very, very simple, but I do like that. There is some white pinstriping here that's really hard to see, but there is some white pinstriping. Looking at the instructions, I have a little 283 engine stock, and then your seats and your backs, your steering wheel, steering column, stock tires and hubcaps. Yeah, this is not one of those that's got a lot of options. You build it stock. Your chassis, which has got the metal axle here. Looks like you might have a metal axle for the front too, I'm not sure. And then putting it all together here, putting some of the chrome on it. So let's see, let's take a look at what's in this box and see what it might be to actually build this monster. So most of it has been either assembled or off the tree, but check this out. It's a little Chevy car, probably for a trophy. That's kind of a neat little thing there. The top of the radiator, it's chrome. Okay. Pathetic battery, but horns. Looks like the heater box. A few other little pieces there that are still on the tree. That beautiful 57 Chevy grill. And the stock tires and wheels. Where's my trash can? They're going right in that. Because yeah, I will not be building this stock. It has trying to see, little Chevy valve covers. Jeez. Things like this that are chrome. Yikes. Looks like this is, what is this? It almost looks like a little tiki. I think that's what it is. It's a little tiki that was in here. Okay. The hood. Somebody's already partially assembled the manifold. The glass is in it, but the here's the, looks like some of the little backup lights and the headlights, which are good. They're not just chrome headlights. They're actual clear plastic. Chrome, half of the chrome rear end. Oh boy. So, okay, and oh yeah, a nice chrome distributor. Yummy. Okay. So let's look at what has already been built here. This was one of those that we got at a secondhand store. A friend of mine picked it up for me. And, you know, sort of a glue bomb, I guess. Yes, it has a front axle and a rear metal axle. Someone's assembled the engine here poorly, but we can keep that and fix that if I really want to put a 283 in there, which I don't. Sorry, I'm trying to see what does and doesn't come apart here. There we go. Okay, so looking at the body, the body is actually pretty good looking. He goofed up a little bit on the glue, the windshield, so we'd have to fix that. Looks like he did a little surgery here. I don't know what that is, but anyway. But the body doesn't look too bad. Let's see if the hood fits. After my experience with the Mustang, let's see if the hood fits. Yeah. Wow. That fits great. That looks nice. I really like that one. So here's the interior. Someone's already put it together, so I can easily just, you know, pull everything off because it's obviously glue bombed. But the stock steering wheel, the nice detail on the seats. Once I get those out and get them cleaned up and repainted, that's going to be nice. And your suspension, look at this. Your exhaust is molded in. Chrome leafs and differential. Yeah, we're going to be changing that. And yeah, this little extension piece that you glue on, he's already got on. Chrome part of the front suspension. Yeah, gotta love these old kits. They chromed a bunch of stuff they shouldn't have, that's for sure. And stuff you wish was chromed isn't, but oh well. At least the suspension is not molded in. Thank goodness. So, but the exhaust is. But if you wanted to do a nice stock 57 Chevy, this looks like it could build it very nicely. So that's cool. If you want to do a hot rod version, you're either going to have to kit bash or you're going to have to get a different kit. But all in all, this actually looks like a pretty decent kit so far. And with what I've seen built, yeah, doesn't look like it's going to be too bad. Certainly not as bad as that Mustang. So, anyway, well, there you go, folks. Quick and short and easy today. I know we were supposed to do a Mustang, but when I opened the box, it wasn't a Mustang in there. Somebody bamboozled me. So, we'll take care of that later. Thanks for joining us today on the Kit Hoarder Stash. We'll see you in a couple weeks. Bye-bye.